Good morning, students. In our daily life, we listen about growth percentage, discount percentage, profit percentage, loss percentage, interest rate, or interest percentage, etc. So, today's session regarding very important topic, that is percentage. Percentages are used to compare quantities. The word percent means per every 100 or out of every 100. 100 percentage means 100 by 100. It is also a fraction with denominator 100. Let us examine a small example. Your school students decided to sell tickets to a charity show. Class 8th students have 300 tickets to sell, and class 7th students have 250 tickets to sell. 1 hour before the show, 8th class students sold 225 tickets and 7th class students sold 200 tickets. Which class students were closer to the goal of selling tickets? Out of 300 tickets, 8th class students sold 225. Let us use unitary method to find it for 100 tickets. Out of 100 tickets, 8th class students sold. Let us find through unitary method, that is 225 by 300 into 100, that is 75. Hence, percentage of tickets sold by 8th class students is equal to 75 percentage. Similarly, out of 250 tickets, 7th class students sold 200. Out of 100 tickets, 7th class students sold. Again use unitary method. 200 by 250 into 100, that is 80. That means percentage of tickets sold by 7th class students is equal to 80%. Now observe, 8th class students 75%, 7th class students 80%. Hence, 7th class students are closer to the goal. Now let us solve some questions. Express 40%, 125%, 0.8% as fraction. 40% means 40 by 100. By simplification we get 2 by 5. Similarly 125%, it is 125 by 100, that is 5 by 4. 0.8%, that means 0.8 by 100. 0.8 by 100. It becomes 8 by 1000. So, by simplification, it is 1 by 125. Express 7%, 137% as a decimal. 7% means 7 by 100. It is 0.07. 137%, that means 137 by 100. It is 1.37. Express the following fractions as a percentage. The fractions are 7 by 25. That is 7 by 25 into 100 percentage. That means 28 percentage. Similarly, 5 by 8. 5 by 8 into 100 percentage. It is 62.5 percentage. 11 by 6. That is 11 by 6 into 100 percentage. It is 183 and 1 by 3 percentage. Convert the ratio 3 is to 5 to percentage. Very simple question. 3 is to 5 means 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 means 3 by 5 into 100 percentage. It is 60 percentage. Express 32 percentage as a ratio. 32 percentage means 32 by 100. By simplification, it is 8 by 25. Hence, the ratio is 8 is to 25. What percent of 120 is 90? Very simple. 90 by 120 into 100 percentage. That is 75 percentage. What percent of 1 kg is 5 grams? 1 kg means, yes, 1000 grams. So it is 5 by 1000 into 100 percentage. That is 0.5 percentage. What percent of 3.5 liters is 150 ml? 1 liter means 1000 ml. So it is 150 by 3.5 into 1000 into 100 percentage. By simplification, its answer is 4 and 2 by 7 percentage. 7.5 percentage of 2400 is equal to how much? Observe the question. Very easy. 7.5, that means 15 by 2. Percentage means into 1 by 100. Of means into 2400. That means the question became 15 by 2 into 1 by 100 into 2400. Its answer is 180. If 26% of a number is 65, find the number. We don't know the number. So, let the required number is x. 26% of that number, that means 26% of x is equal to 65. That implies 26 by 100 into x equals to 65. Now it's easy. X is equal to 65 into 100 by 26. That is 250. Hence the required number is 250. One more question. Gopal spends 65% of his salary and the rest he saves. If he saves 2940 rupees per month, what is his monthly salary? Let his monthly salary is X. Then money spent is 65% of his salary. That means 65% of X. That is X into 65 by 100. So it becomes 13x by 20. Salary is X. Spent is 13x by 20. So savings is x minus 13x by 20. That is 7x by 20. 7x by 20, that means his savings is equals to 2940. So x equals to 2940 into 20 by 7. By simplification, we get 8400 rupees. So his monthly salary is 8400 rupees. One more question. A number is increased by 20% and then decreased by 20%. Find the net increase or decrease percentage. Generally we think increase 20% and then decrease 20%. So there is no any change. But observe the question. Let the given number is x. Now it is increased 20%. So increased number is equal to 120% of x. It becomes x into 120 by 100. So it is 6x by 5. Now 20% decreased. So it becomes decreased number is 80% of the previous one. What is previous one? 6x by 5. So it is 6x by 5 into 80 by 100. Now its answer is 24x by 25. The original number is x. Present number is 24x by 25. Observe 24 by 25. It is a proper fraction. Proper fraction means it is a smaller one. So overall it is decreased. So net decrease is original x. The decreased number is 24x by 25. So net decrease is x minus 24x by 25. Its answer is x by 25. Now decrease percentage. How can we find this percentage? Net decrease by original into 100. What is net decrease? X by 25. What is original? X. So x by 25 by x into 100. It is x by 25 by x means x by 1 into 100. Fraction by fraction. So denominator becomes reciprocate and multiply. So it is x by 25 into 1 by x into 100. That is 4%. Observe the question. The number decreased 4%. One more beautiful question. In an exam, one requires 40% marks to pass. Rama gets 185 marks and fails by 15 marks. What are the maximum marks? Let the maximum marks x. Now pass marks. In the question it is given that Rama gets 185 marks and fails by 15 marks. So pass marks is equal to 185 plus 15. It is 200. But pass marks is 40%. That means 40% of x is equal to 200. That implies 40 by 100 into x is equal to 200. Hence x is equal to 200 into 100 by 40. That is 500. Hence maximum marks in the exam equals to 500. One more question. Sarita spends 20% on house rent and 60% of the rest. Observe carefully. 60% of the rest on households. If she saves 2,800 rupees, what is her total salary? Let her monthly salary is x. Now rent 20% of salary. That means 20% of x. So it is x by 5. What is remainder? Salary is x, rent is x by 5. So x minus x by 5. So the remainder money is 4x by 5. Now household expenditure. 60% of the rest. So 60% of 4x by 5. By simplification we get 12x by 25. Now savings. 4x by 5 minus 12x by 25. It is 8x by 25. But in the question it is given that the savings 2,800 rupees. So 8x by 25 is equal to 2800. Observe once again. 8x by 25 is equal to 2800 rupees. Hence x is equal to 2800 into 25 by x. By simplification, 8750. Hence her monthly salary is 8750. One more question. The price of the sugar goes up by 20%. By how much percent must a housewife reduce her consumption of sugar so that the expenditure on sugar remains same? Let the consumption of the sugar originally be 1 unit and let its cost is 100 rupees. Now 20% increased. So now 120 rupees yields 1 unit of sugar. In previous 100 rupees yields 1 unit of sugar. Because 20% price hike, it becomes 120 rupees yields 1 unit of sugar. So 100 rupees will yield. Again let us use unitary method. That is 1 by 120 into 100. That means now for 100 rupees we get 5 by 6 units of sugar. Reduction in consumption. 1 minus 5 by 6. That is the reduction is 1 by 6 units. Now reduction percentage. Reduction by original into 100. That means 1 by 6 by 1 into 100. By simplification we get 16 and 2 by 3 percentage. One more question. A's income is 60% more than that of B. By what percentage is B's income less than A's? Let B's income is 100. Then A's income, because it is 60% more, then A's income is 160. Observe it. If A's income is 160, then B's income is 100. Again let us use unitary method. If A's income is 100, then B's income 100 by 160 into 100. It is 62.50. 62 rupees 50 paise. B's income is less than A's. 100 minus 62.50, that is 37.5%. The last question. The value of a machine depreciates every year by 10%. If the present value of the machine is 99,000, what is its value last year? Let the value of the machine last year is X. Its present value 10% reduced. So present value is 90% of X. It is 9x by 10. But in the question it is given as 99,000. So 9x by 10 is equal to 99 by 1000. From it, x is equal to 1,10,000. Hence, value of the machine last year is 1,10,000 rupees. Dear students, pause the video and finish the homework. If you have any doubts, then without hesitation, you can call me. Thank you for listening.